And now the latest on the Rhode Island gantries. Despite a federal ruling last week, there's no timeline for turning the gantries back on and charging trucks.
Well, this is still controversial. NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo live with us in studio to update the latest. Gabrielle?
Well, because this ruling didn't fully go one way or the other, there's a lot up in the air right now. With the tolling caps ruled unconstitutional, it's not as easy as just turning the toll gantries back on.
We're pleased with this decision.
Governor Dan McKee is calling the latest truck toll decision a win, even though the ruling didn't fully go the state's way. It says the tolling system can stay, but the caps on tolls for local trucks are unconstitutional.
It puts the state in a good spot, and we're going to move ahead once we understand the dynamics of that case.
House Minority Leader Representative Michael Chippendale isn't convinced.
This new ruling it now will punish Rhode Island truckers more so than the previous plan. So by no means is this a win for the businesses in the state of Rhode Island, nor is it a win for the consumers in the state of Rhode Island, who will ultimately pay the added costs that'll be passed on through the goods and services that are moved by these trucks.
Because of the split decision, there's no plan yet for turning the gantries back on.
We want to really evaluate the court decision, and that's being done now, and we have to evaluate the impact that it could have on local businesses. We need to take all that into consideration.
For 4 years, the state hasn't been collecting funds originally intended to help pay for the state's neglected roads and bridges. In that time, the Washington Bridge shut down, and the costs associated with its demolition and rebuild continue to climb.
We have a lot of millions of dollars invested in all the gantries. We have contracts with out-of-state companies for monitoring and administering the tolls. There's been a heavy investment already in these tolls. So where we go from here is very murky. We do need some innovative ideas on how to fund what clearly is a problem in our state, which is keeping up with our infrastructure.
The American Trucking Association says they're pleased the courts agreed the caps unfairly discriminated against interstate commerce, and they're considering their next steps. Now, that could include an appeal to the Supreme Court. In studio, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.